Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia and today I will be doing a what I eat in a day video. A lot of y'all have requested this, and so without further ado, let's get started. Of course, I had to start the morning off with some coffee. If you know me, I only drink iced coffee and I love it with a big splash of oat milk. I love this brand of cold brew and I buy a month's worth at a time so I don't run out. The first sip of coffee every single morning tastes so freaking good. I typically don't eat breakfast. I just have my cup of coffee, but these days I've been really into vitamins as well, especially after my injury and my surgery. I've been really attentive towards my personal health, so I usually have 2 of these vitamin D3 gummies. These are good for my bone, teeth, and immune health, all the things that I need. And then I also take these multivitamins from Ritual as well. I can literally eat this entire jar. So good. It's like candy. It's my favorite time of the day, lunchtime. Because I was recently injured, I'm still not able to exercise just yet. Therefore, I've been more mindful about what I eat, and I try to offset not being able to exercise by eating healthier and more nutritious food. These days for lunch, I've been making lots of salads. It's not unusual for me to crave salads and smoothies and lighter foods as the weather gets warmer. I don't know why, maybe I'm just kind of weird, but I like to add a lot of stuff to my salads like avocado, sweet potato, and chicken to make sure that the salad will still taste good and that I'll be full. It is lunchtime. I am starving. I made myself a salad. So we have some avocado, hard-boiled eggs, sweet potatoes, mushrooms, and chicken. And then it's on top of a bed of like spring mix and arugula. And today my salad dressing is this Kewpie deep roasted sesame dressing. This is my favorite dressing of all time, paired with my favorite drink of all time. This is the peach and grapefruit tea from Mecco. Literally, I started drinking this during my last trip to Asia like 2 years ago, and I got so addicted to this. I had maybe 1 or 2 a day, and I'm not really big on sugary drinks, but this is definitely the exception. And I got both of these on Yami, so I'd like to give a big thank you and shout out to Yami for sponsoring today's video and for supplying me with these goodies over here. For those of y'all who are new to Yami, they are a one-stop shop for all of your Asian food cravings. On Yami, you can explore all different kinds of foods from Japan, Korea, and Greater China. The website is really easy to use and they have such a wide variety of products from groceries to drinks to snacks, you name it. For my order, I got some noodles that I've been meaning to try, some chili oil, and I also obviously stocked up on a bunch of these peach and grapefruit tea drinks. They're also celebrating their 9th anniversary this year, so they have some really cool anniversary exclusives on the website as well. If you want to feed into your cravings like me or try something new, make sure to use my code in the description box down below to get 10% off your next order. Big bite.
맨날 이런 것에 대해서만 생각해.
After lunch, I make a second cup of iced coffee and sip on it while I work. It was Friday, so my meetings cleared up in the afternoon, and around 4, I went out to run some quick errands. My friends were around the area, so I dropped by quickly to say hi and grabbed yet another cup of iced coffee. After I got home, I wrapped up some loose ends at work and started preparing dinner. My boyfriend was going to drop by and he mentioned that he never had bun xào before, so I wanted to make that for him. Bun xào is basically a savory Vietnamese pancake filled with pork and shrimp, and is nicely complemented with lettuce, mint leaves, bean sprouts, and fish sauce. Favorite part. Gotta try it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so spicy. I've only ever helped my mom make this at home and never led the entire process myself, so I was a little nervous that I was going to bring shame to my family, and I think I made the batter a little too thick, but everything else from prepping to the assembly was actually pretty easy. I need to take a picture for my mommy. I think she'll be very proud of me. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Wait, you gotta put the nook, Mom. Is that actually good?
Oh, I really like it. Oh, is it actually good? Can you show the video?
You want me to wrap you one? You put it in like this. And you have your wrap. Dip. So for dessert today, I thought that I would try these 2 new Kit Kats that I got. The first one is this coffee Kit Kat, and the second one is a chocolate orange. It's not bad, but to be honest, I taste more chocolate than I taste coffee. Definitely get the orange one. Give it a try if you like orange and chocolate together. Alrighty, so that's basically what I eat in a day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And with that, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!